Come on, let's go.
Mom.
Welcome to the Rainforest Cafe. So, the first thing you'll see, look up in the sky. There's a moon with the stars. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Alright, now we're gonna see the tiger. Follow me. These are the tigers. Aren't they scary, right? They're very scary. So scary. That's what you get. Let's go, let's go. They're freaking me out. Let's go. Okay, so look at this rainbow. Whoa, do you see the monkey? You see the gorilla with the monkey? That's crazy.
Hiding.
They're hiding, yeah.
Wild slow.
The gorilla.
Over here, there's more gorillas. It's very scary, bro. Look at the other one on the right. Come on, guys. There is another small fish tank right there. And this finale. Come.
You said 33, right? You're watching.
Elephants. So I guess that's the mama and that's her child.
That's the baby elephant.
Aren't they cute? Yeah, they are cute. Okay. And that's a globe, so you can see the whole world. And do you like the rainbow? There's a parrot there. And yeah, a hippo. Guys, comment down below what do you think about the Rainforest Cafe? Come on, guys. So there's a little bar there. People drink stuff and stuff like that. But yeah, that's enough. And look at the rain. There's rain there. That's cool, bro. And come on. They even have a waterfall there. You see that? The waterfall. Oh yeah, guys, that's the finale. So we're gonna go back to the light side.